So hello friends, once again welcome you to the DD Tutorials. We dream, we design and we deliver. Myself your DD sir, and we are going to again start our lecture from where we finished in the last lecture. So let us come to the rules for writing nomenclature. Before writing the rules, we have to study what is this. It's one of the formula which is basically used before writing the name. First we need to write the prefix, then the word root, then the primary suffix and the secondary suffix. The primary suffix and the secondary suffix I taught you in the previous lecture. Now the first rule is selection of the longest chain. First we need to select the carbon which are having the longest chain. And the selected chain is number from one end to other. The number are called locant. We are giving a specific name to them which is known as locant. Then the alkyl nature of side chain or substituents is identified and reported as prefix with its number in hydrocarbon name in alphabetical order. This will be more clearly understood when we took some example. Now fourth is select the longest possible carbon chain having maximum number of functional group even if prior rule is violated. Functional group we have seen in our previous, no, it's going to be in our next lecture. Okay. Now we are going to study about secondary suffix for carbon. There are many secondary suffix for carbon which have been listed in front of you. Some of the basics are alcohol, thioalcohol, amines, aldehyde, ketones, sulfonic acid, anhydride, carboxylic acid, amides, acid chlorides, ether and nitriles. There are many more which we will study in our upcoming lectures. You can see over there the general formula. The OH group here identifies that alcohol is present, SH for thiol and same for all. Now we are going to study about fundamental functional group. What are fundamental functional group? These are the functional group which are more easily and readily used in our bond. The first is nitro, then alkoxy, chloride, bromide, iodine, fluoride. These fours are under the halogen category. Then nitroso, and then it is a very special which is known as epoxy. Okay, this is rarely used, but in last GEE it was an asked question on it. Now we are going to study about polyfunctional compounds. Polyfunctional compounds are those compounds which are listed in front of you. For example, the functional group OH is also known as hydroxyl, or the functional group COH is also known as carboxyl. And similarly all are listed in front of N is also known as cyano and NC is known as isocyanide. CHO for formyl, it is basically an aldehydic group, and SH for mercapto. It is very important. Yeah, you can make a star mark over here, and so on. SO3H, sulfo. These all are basically more important when we will go for inductive effects and resonance effects. There we can get the priority order very easily. Now I would like to thank you for your kind supports. Thank you.